the crack? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to sunny Alcudia. Are the prices in Alcudia Port shocking or affordable? In this video we'll be checking out the prices you can expect to pay when you're eating out in Alcudia Port. It's October and I'm filming this video out of season. If you're watching on mobile, let me know in the comments if you've been to Alcudia before or if you're planning your first visit. But check this boat out. You can book a trip on this Catamaran through No Frills Travel. You get lunch, drinks and some activities included in the price. That's something you might want to do while you're here in Alcudia. So you've got lots of restaurants in this area and different cuisines. I can see a steakhouse and Bella Vista restaurant and also Bombay Beach Indian restaurant. We'll check that out shortly. A large beer is €4.25 and a Cobra Indian beer is €4.50. Spirits with a mixer is around €7 to €9 and a glass of cava is €6.95. Find the prices in the port are slightly more expensive than what you'd find along the Bellevue Strip. Let's keep walking. La Cabana Restaurant. It looks like they serve Mediterranean dishes, paella and pizzas. Just want to say a quick thank you to the Buy Me a Coffee supporters and YouTube channel members on screen now. It's quieter at the minute because it's during the day and October. But during the summer months, this area will be buzzing with people and it might be difficult to get a table. Somewhere to get your beach essentials and souvenirs, and next door, Alley Hop. This is one of my favourite shops to visit. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. So it's definitely a change of pace being in the port area of Alcudia compared to the Strip. I'm going to be filming lots of content from here in the port and the Bellevue Strip, so check if you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any new content. And now would be a good time to ask you to press the thumbs up button that tells YouTube to push this video out to other people interested in visiting Alcudia Port. Check this out, a couple of breakfast options. Just looking at the menu of Casa Villa, a margarita pizza is €11.50 and a roast chicken is $17.50. I can also see they serve sea bass. And take a look at this, they do have gluten-free pasta options as well. Lots of these bars and restaurants are great people watching spots. Ramon's bar looking closed at the minute. Maybe it'll be open later in the day, I'm not sure. I can see the Irish Tavern bar just ahead, but check this out, and it might be a lunch option if you're staying in the Playa de Alcudia area. Small beer and a burger $9.50. I think that's Comic's bar, and it's looking quite busy this afternoon. A few people perhaps taking advantage of the offer. Breakfast is served until 1 PM at the Irish Tavern, so your choice of eggs on toast, bacon and tea, coffee or orange juice is $6.95. Prices do seem pretty decent. Let me know your experiences in the comments section below. If you're staying in and around this area, you've got some really good tapas and menu del dia options along this street as well. So that's the street we've just walked up. The views from these apartments would be amazing, and you'd see some pretty incredible sunsets. Lots of these apartments you can rent out on booking.com in this area. I get a lot of messages on social media about how I find cheap flights and hotels. I use Skyscanner. They put the cheapest prices all in the one place. I've posted a link in the description box below. If you book any hotels, flights, car hire or package holidays through my link, I receive a commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps me make more videos like this one. The port is pretty by day, but at night is when it really comes alive. I'll be filming a nightlife video as well, so keep an eye out for that video coming soon. I just wanted to quickly show you a great spot where you might like to take a photo. Let's keep walking, and I have Nuba Beach Club and Restaurant straight ahead. This is another great spot to watch the sunset from and enjoy an evening meal. It's always pretty busy as well. Take a look at some of the prices you can expect to pay at one of these beach bars, and feel free to pause the video. Chicken wings are $15.50 and my favourite garlic prawns is €19.50. You've got soup, pasta, burgers and oysters, grilled sea bass and a mixed paella €22 per person. A margarita pizza is €12, so considering this restaurant's location, prices are in line with what I would expect. In the restaurant Casa Villa, a margarita pizza was €11.50. Don't forget this is in Benidorm, so prices are going to be more expensive. English breakfast here at Bar Playa, €10.90. You get egg, sausage, beans, toast, tomato and mushrooms, and they do have a vegan breakfast. I think that's supposed to mean vegetarian breakfast for the same price as a breakfast with meat. Let me know in the comments, is that fair? I think the vegetarian breakfast should be cheaper really. Savage Steakhouse, and above I can see Muddy's Bar. We'll take a look at the prices there shortly. But check this out. Kids can eat for free here from 3 PM to 6 PM with every paying adult. That's really good to see and very family friendly. I love that Alcudia has these wee charging stations everywhere. If your phone starts dying at the beach, you can charge it for free right there. Like most restaurants in the port, you've got a good selection of options. Ribs, seafood, a margarita pizza is €11 and black Angus steak is $31.50. Let's keep walking. We're just walking behind the Nuba Beach Club. If you're an Alcudia regular, let me know in the comments if we've walked past your favourite restaurant. You might want to book some boat trips and activities while you're in Alcudia. I'll just cross over and show you restaurants on the other side. I've seen a lot of people taking pictures of this plane above Dakota ribs. And this restaurant has a pretty great lunch menu del dia. Choose from 5 starters, 5 main courses and a dessert or coffee for €19.50 each. And a beer or soft drink is also included. Take a look at the full menu. As well as restaurants and bars, you've also got plenty of clothes, perfumes and souvenir shops. I can actually just see the airport bus heading towards Playa de Alcudia and Camp Picafor. If you haven't seen my travel day video, check that out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. We're walking in the direction of Playa Alcudia, and just behind Muddy's Bar, the off-season is pretty popular for cyclists here in Majorca, and you'll find some hotels have storage for bikes if you've hired them while you're in the area. If you fancy a taste of home while you're in Alcudia, one of the best British fish and chip restaurants is here, Lloyd's Fish and Chips. It's been open in Alcudia for at least 10 years, maybe longer. I did see a post on Facebook recently saying they're still open during November. So I know some of my viewers do visit Alcudia during the off season, so you might want to go there for traditional fish and chips. We're just arriving at Dekota Restaurant, and I've actually seen this place all over Instagram. At night they've got live music and the whole place gives pure Ibiza energy. Let's see what's on the menu. Interesting choice of pizzas, pumpkin cream base. A cheese and ham pizza is €13, so slightly more than what we've seen. Teriyaki salmon, sounds great, is €23, and you've got more traditional tapas options as well. If you're heading back into Alcudia or Camp Pickford, or arriving from Palma Airport by the public bus, this is where you'll get dropped off, and the bus to return to the airport is on the opposite side of the road. Thanks for watching.